Hey there! Welcome back to another cool video on Techniverse Spotted. In this video, we are going to see how to cancel the surrounding noise in real time while you are recording audio. The mic I am using for this video is the Maono AU-A04 USB condenser microphone. Anyways, if we are done wasting time, let's just keep all the things aside and let the tech begin. I use 3 softwares and a Windows PC to eliminate real-time noise. Well, not 3, but 2 software and a driver actually. Here, I use VB Audio and Reaper to cancel the noise in real time and Audacity to post-edit my audio. All the links are provided in the description down below. Here, what we are trying to do is first record audio to Reaper with noise cancellation and send the output audio to Audacity with the help of virtual cables of VB software. Now to set up the software, download Audacity from the link provided. It is free. Double click on the setup and install the software by clicking on next a couple of times. Now download the VB Audio software, which is also free from the link provided. You would be getting a zip file. Right click and extract the contents. You would be seeing 2 setup files. Run one according to your version as administrator. Now click on the install driver button and install the VB Audio software. Once it is successfully installed, go ahead and plug in your microphone. Now get into the sound settings and go to the sound control panel. Then you would be seeing this pop-up. If you are on Windows 11, you can directly find these options in the sound settings. Right click on the VB input option and select properties. Now get into the advanced tab and select 24-bit 176 kHz from the drop-down. Apply the changes and click OK. Now similarly get to the recording tab, right click on the VB output option and select properties. Click on advanced tab and select 2 channels 24-bit 176 kHz from the drop-down. Apply the changes and click OK. Again, this time right click on the USB condenser microphone option and select properties. Get into the advanced tab and select 2 channels 24-bit 176 kHz from the drop-down. Now click on the levels tab and set it to 80%. Apply the changes and click OK. Now we need Reaper. It is a paid software, but you can use the trial version as well, and I guess you know where to get it. Once you have installed Reaper, open it. Click on Options and select Preferences. From the drop-down menu, select the WAS API Windows option. Select the input device as USB condenser mic and the output device as cable input. Set the input and output channels to 2 and block size to 1024. Apply the settings and click OK. Now right click in the empty area on this top left section and select Insert New Track. Make sure you see effects enabled when you hover here and click on this little icon to unmute your mic. Now right click on this list and select Record Output as Stereo. Again right click on the same and select Input Stereo. Now click on the effects icon and close this pop-up. In the second pop-up, get into the effects tab and select Add Effects Chain. I will be providing a Google Drive link for this preset. Feel free to use it. After you load the effects chain, you would be seeing a list of options here. Select the first one and you will be seeing a noise cancelling waveform. To configure the cancellation, enable the checkbox for about 10 seconds to let the Reaper listen to the background noise. Remain silent while it listens to the noise. Disable the checkbox once you are satisfied and close the pop-up, leaving everything else on default. Now you can record your audio directly here by clicking on the record button. But I prefer recording my audio on Audacity as I would be editing it later over there. To connect Reaper to Audacity, we would be taking the help of the VB audio cables we have installed earlier. To do that, open Audacity and set the input cable to cable output and the output device to wherever you want to listen to your audio. Once done, just click on the red record button. Finally, you are all done. I am attaching some audio samples with the above configurations and settings for you to judge the quality.
Hey there! A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is the audio directly from Audacity.
Hey there! A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is the audio coming from Reaper to Audacity via VB Audio software. Hey there! A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is the audio coming from Reaper to Audacity via VB Audio software. We could surely see a significant difference in the quality. Overall, I'd say the output audio is surely worth the time. And that was it guys for this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it and comment down the video suggestions you want to see next on our channel. And lastly, subscribe to Techniverse Spotted for more cool stuff.